Although research literacy is necessary for the competent delivery of psychological services, many psychology students hold negative attitudes towards research subjects. We explored undergraduate students' perceptions of research subjects relative to non-research subjects. On an online survey, 249 Australian and Singaporean first-year university students indicated their interest in and perceived value of 32 psychology subjects, based on a title and short description. They also nominated their most and least interested and valued subject, providing a free text explanation for these selections. A K-means cluster analysis grouped the 32 subjects into 6 clusters, plotting them by mean interest and value. Cluster 2, the yellow cluster, was composed of high interest and high value subjects, many of which have broad applicability to practice as a psychologist. In contrast, the 3 research subjects form their very own very low interest and low value cluster, depicted in teal away from the other subjects. Paired sample t-tests also indicated that participants were significantly more interested in and perceived non-research subjects as being more valuable than compared to research subjects. What's more is that no participant was most interested in taking any of the 3 research subjects, and advanced research methods and data analysis was a subject frequently nominated as the subject they are least interested in taking. Our thematic analysis on the students' reasoning shines light as to why this is. Beyond a lack of interest in research subject content, these subjects are considered to be too difficult, disliked because they involve mathematics, and are subjects that students believe they are not good at. Moreover, very few students considered these subjects as applicable to their future endeavors. Models of academic interest typically assume that perceived value is a strong driver of interest. Our findings demonstrate that that interest-value relationship may differ by subject domain, so maybe it's less prominent for research subjects. The findings also highlight the degree to which students perceive research subjects as distinct from other subjects. Quantitatively, this is most apparent from that cluster analysis, but that distinctiveness is evident in the stated reasons by those who are least interested or perceive the least value in a research subject. While a very, very small number of students appeared to perceive that research has some utility value, that it is, quote, a necessary evil to be tolerated in order to achieve one's academic or career goals, the takeaway of the qualitative data is that most students do not see the relevance or applicability of research subjects to their degree or intended careers. What this finding highlights is a disconnect between educators and accrediting bodies' opinions and those of students. The importance of research literacy as a graduate competency is not effectively communicated to or shared between students and instructors. Collectively, the findings raise questions as to how to help students gain a greater interest in and appreciation for research subjects.